Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss functions and powers of different organs of United Nations under Public International Law, second semester 2. So let us start. Functions and powers of different organs. The United Nations operates through 6 principal organs, each with distinct functions and legal authorities established by the UN Charter. Number 1. General Assembly, in short UNGA. The UNGA is the main deliberative, policy-making and representative organ with universal representation. What is functions? Discusses matters within the Charter's scope, including peace and security. Powers: approves the UN budget and determines member assessments. It elects non-permanent Security Council members and Economic and Social Council members. In short, we can say ECOSOC, and appoint the Secretary General upon the Security Council's recommendation. It also initiates studies for the development of international law. Decision making. Each state has one vote. Important questions require a 2/3 majority. Now, second is Security Council. UN Security Council, in short UNSC. The UNSC had the primary responsibility for maintaining internal peace and security. Composition. Who is in it? There are 15 members in total, the Big Five: China, France, Russia, the UK and the USA. They are permanent members and stay forever. Elected members, there are 10 elected members from other countries chosen to serve for 2 years at a time. Now, what does it function? Makes rules. It is the only UN group whose decision, called resolutions, must be followed by all countries. It stops fighting. It sends peacekeepers to war zones and can tell countries to stop fighting. Punishes those who break rules. So, rule breakers. It can cut off trade, sanctions, or authorize military force to stop an aggression. Powers. Its decisions are legally binding on member states under Article 25 of UN Charter. It can impose sanctions or authorize military force and establishes UN peacekeeping missions. Third is what happens if a country applies veto power. So the veto power effect on efficiency of the Security Council. The veto means even if one of the Big Five countries say no to a decision cannot be made, even if all other 14 countries agree. Because the Big Five often disagree on major wars like those in Ukraine or Gaza, they use their veto to block action. What is the result? This makes the UN look weak because it cannot act when one of the powerful countries or their friends is involved in a conflict. Some say the veto is bad because it stops justice. Others say it is necessary to prevent the world's most powerful countries from fighting each other directly. Now, third is Economic and Social Council. It is the central platform for coordination and policy dialogue on social, economic, and environmental issues. Function: promotes higher living standards and solutions for international health and education issues. Powers: coordinates the work of 15 specialized UN agencies and manages relations with over 3,000 NGOs. Fourth is International Court of Justice, in short ICJ. The ICJ is the UN's principal judicial organ located in The Hague. Functions: settles legal disputes between states and provide advisory opinions on legal questions. Powers: rulings in contentious cases are binding on the parties involved. Fifth is Secretariat. The Secretariat is the administrative arm of the United Nations, headed by the Secretary General. Functions: manages day-to-day operations, including peacekeeping and mediation. Powers: the Secretary General can bring matters threatening international peace to the Security Council's attention. according to Article 99 of the UN Charter. And then sixth, and the last is Trustee Council, established to supervise trust territories towards self-government or independence. Status now is suspended operation in 1994 and now meets only as required. Thanks for watching this video. Friends, this is all about the various organs of UNO. Thanks for watching.